Hello everyone, this is me and this is my YouTube channel iidstudio. In this video, I'll teach you the lighting, running and material setting of a bathroom model scene. As you can see, I'll open my bathroom model scene. Now I'll opening the Inkscape. Inkscape open. As you can see, this model don't have lighting setting and render setting. Let's make it better. First of all, I'll add the exterior light for the whole scene. I'll choose the light for this scene. Mm, no, this light is not for this scene, so I deleted it. Now I'll add another light for this scene. I think it's better for this. Now it's time to adjust the light. I think I want to rotate the light and move the light. Now rotate it. Now I increase the exposure. Now I adjust this light according to this scene. I move it downward. I think it looks better. Now I decrease the power of light, power of both lights. As you can see, it looks better. Now I increase the exposure a little bit more. And I decrease the highlights little bit because lights are burning in the front wall. Now I adjust the material of this. Now I'll add the interior light for the scene enhancement. First I add the vanity light. First I measure it. Now I'll add the light for this. Now I'll rotate it for the better result of light. Now I adjust it with the line tool. Now I increase the number of lights. I think I want to move the light little backward. Now it's better. Now I add the other light in the mirror. Now I'll adjust it. Now I add another light. Now I rotate it for this. Because I place the light upside of the vanity mirror. I decrease the power of light because the power of light is too much. Now I add another light. And if you all want to download these models and lights, they are available on my fan pages, Ko-fi, Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee. The links of all of these are provided below this video in the description and comments. Please visit my fan pages, explore the content and support me to keep creating for you. Now I again decrease the power of lights because if I increase the exposure, I want to decrease the power of lights. Now interior lights are added, so I adjust the material setting is very important. If you want your model look better, so you want the best material setting. And if you want of these videos like this, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for stay updated, and visit my fan pages and support me. Now I adjust another material and reflections. I'll resisting. I'll change the color of this illumination light. And now it looks better. And now I adjust another materials. And if you visit my fan pages, in my fan pages I have too many models free and premium, some models free for members, and some are free for all of you. Now I adjust the material of carpet. I think it's too big. Now I adjust it. I think it looks better. If you all want to download these models and lights, they are available on my fan pages, Buy Me a Coffee, Patreon and Ko-fi store. The link to all of these are provided below this video, the description and the comments. Please visit my fan pages, explore the content and support me to keep creating more for you. Now it looks better. I render it or see the result. it takes little time. Now it's done. So let's see the result. If you like the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.